Wombats are one of Australia's most unique creatures, and they have a rather strange habit. They produce cube-shaped poop. Yes, you heard that right. Wombats, unlike most animals, don't just leave random droppings behind. Their poop is carefully shaped into cubes, and it's an incredible adaptation. Why? Well, the cubes help prevent the poop from rolling away, which is important for marking their territory. The cube shape is formed inside their intestines, where the muscles contract in a way that compresses the stool into perfectly squared-off shapes. This odd feature helps wombats ensure their scent stays put and sends a clear message to other wombats. Nature is full of surprises, and in the case of wombats, it's got some very strange ones.